Our teachers are very happy today. I'm happy also. In the previous scheme, our teachers were only accessing only 800 health facilities across the country. They were only accessing one level 6, which is owned, private, owned by the insurer. Today, our teachers are accessing over 9,000 facilities across the country. They can access all the level 6, public, private, and faith-based. Today, our teachers have a better package. For example, their foreign medical is 2.7 million. They get better package. So our teachers, we have served them from December to January to February now. And we are taking over our armed police and prison 1st of April. And when I come back to this committee in another 6 months, I will prove to you that the country is going to save close to 8 billion by just shifting teachers from a private medical scheme to the Social Health Authority. They're getting more package, better served, more facilities, and we will save as a country. And I want to go on record. We will save close to 7 to 8 billion what was charged government. So